Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss genres and types of academic writing, the second unit in the book Writing for Academic and Professional Success, prescribed as Common Course in English for second semester UG programs in Calicut University. By the end of this unit, you would be able to understand different types of academic writing like essay, research article, project report, book review, lab report, and thesis. You would also understand different approaches to academic writing like narrative, descriptive, and critical, and different rhetorical modes like narration, description, argumentation, etc. Based on our academic discipline, we are required to prepare different types of academic papers. The different types of academic writing include essay, research paper, book review, textual analysis, case study, proposal, project report, lab report, review of literature, dissertation, or thesis. Each type has its own features, but we should not forget that one academic text may include more than one type of writing. The first type is essay. What is an essay? An essay is a piece of academic writing which is written to answer a question or to defend an argument or opinion on a topic with supporting evidence. Understanding the question words like what, why, and how, or instructional words like explain, examine, analyze, and discuss is essential to understand what type of essay we have to write. Other instructional words include assess, compare, critically analyze, distinguish between, illustrate, elaborate, justify, summarize, etc. Academic essays mostly follow a linear structure. This means the writer moves from one point to the next in a sequence. Ideas are grouped together in the order of importance or in a chronological order. An essay usually comprises of three types of paragraphs: one introduction, two body paragraph, and three conclusion. What is introduction? Introduction is the first paragraph which introduces the thesis or the main idea of the essay. Body paragraph develops the idea through subtopics and evidence. Conclusion rewords the main points and gives some concluding remarks. A 5-paragraph essay is considered to be the simplest format of an essay, which consists of an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The structure of a 5-paragraph essay is elaborated in the next unit. The second type is research paper or article. What is a research paper? A research paper or article is a type of academic writing that provides a detailed information on a topic based on in-depth research. It uses different sections like literature review, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. Depending on the discipline, there may be differences in the structure of a research paper. This means there are subtle differences in the method of study, sequence, and writing style of papers in humanities, social science, and science. In the case of interdisciplinary studies, we often use a mixed structure. Students often fail to distinguish between an essay and research paper. A research paper is similar to an academic essay, but it is usually longer and more detailed. A research paper uses a particular methodology, while an essay does not. A research paper also uses a particular documentation style. This means that A research paper uses certain styles of presenting sources and evidences to support the arguments or findings. We have understood that a research paper or article uses a particular documentation style to record its sources and evidence. The most popular documentation style in subjects under humanities is MLA, Modern Language Association style. In social sciences, it is APA, American Psychology Association style. Chicago Manual of Style is another style guide we use in academic writing. These style guides will be discussed in detail in Unit 6. Now let's see one sample essay. This essay is titled Time Management. The writer has presented his ideas in 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is its introduction, where the writer presented his main idea, and the next 3 paragraphs are body paragraphs, where the writer elaborated that main idea using different points. And the last paragraph is its conclusion, where he rephrased his idea and made some concluding remark. You should note one point here, that the writer has not used any particular methodology here. He has not recorded the references or sources he consulted to write this idea. Now look at the sample research paper given. This paper is titled The Challenge of Distributing COVID-19 Vaccine. It's obvious that it's longer than an essay, and it's a more detailed study. It is the product of an in-depth research. The authors present their ideas using a particular methodology of its discipline. One more important thing about this paper is that there is a reference section at the end of the paper. This means that the author has documented the sources and evidence at the end of the paper. I hope you understood these 2 types of academic writing, essay and research paper. The other types of academic writing will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.